Hey guys, my name is Vikas and this is Lord Matlu, and I have decided to roll out some videos on English grammar. I thought this was very necessary for some of our viewers. It would be good if you can watch these videos and improve your English skills. So the today's topic is on conjunction. These are very important part of English grammar, and we will be learning it today. So without wasting time, let's go to my screen. Okay. So as I said, today we'll be learning conjunction. What are conjunctions? Okay. So the conjunctions are basically the words that join two parts of a sentence together. Uh, they are also called connectors. So there are two parts of the sentences which can be said independently, but if we use conjunction in between, we can say it in one sentence. That's the basic concept of conjunction. Okay, they help us connect ideas, words, or sentences so that our writing and speaking makes more sense. And basically, by using conjunctions and connecting two sentences, when they are connected, you can speak better English, standard English. uh, think of them as a glue word. Okay, glue word. So basically connecting words, connectors, glue words, whatever you want to call it, you can call it. Okay, so I hope you understand what the conjunctions are. And let's talk about different types of conjunction. Okay, so there are basically three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Okay, I'll be discussing about all three of them one by one, so stay tuned. Okay, so what are coordinating conjunctions? These are used to join two words of sentences that are equally important. What do you mean by equally important? So the first word and the second sorry the first part of the sentences and the second part of the sentence have the same weightage in what you are trying to say. For example, I like pizza and I like burgers. Okay, so we connected two sentences by using the word and. Okay, and is the conjunction here. So I can obviously say I like pizza, and I can make another sentence wherein I can say I like burgers. Okay, that is nothing. There is nothing wrong in that sentence. Okay, but if you say I like pizza and I like burger, that will sound more natural. Okay, okay. So moving on to the next example, she loves to read. Okay, and she writes poetry. These are two different sentences, which is again connected by the conjunction and. Okay, she loves to read and she writes poetry. It sounds natural, right? I bought apples and bananas from the market. So the two sentences here is are I bought apples from the market. I bought bananas from the market. Okay, so we connected two sentences by using the conjunction and again. I bought apples and bananas from the market. Okay, he wanted to go to the party, but he had a headache. Okay, so we can also use conjunctions in cause and effect form. So he wanted to go to the party. He wanted to go to the party can mean he actually wanted to go to the party, but he could not. Okay, and now in the second part we are saying the reason. He had a headache. So we connected these two, cause and effect. Okay, he wanted to go to the party, but he had a headache. Okay, let's see another example. The weather was sunny, but it was still cold. Okay, one of the sentences, the weather was sunny, it was still cold. These are two different sentences connected by but. But you can use when the second sentence is contradicting the first one. Okay, the weather was sunny, but it was still cold. So generally when the weather is sunny, it's not cold, right? It's hot. But here it is, the weather was sunny, but it was still cold. Okay, the other conjunctions, other coordinating conjunctions are and, but, or, so, not, for, yet. Okay, moving on. The second type of conjunction is subordinating conjunctions. What does that mean? These connect a main sentence. So there would be a main sentence and there would be another sentence which whose weightage is lesser than the first one. Okay, with a smaller sentence that depends on it. Okay, the second sentence depends on the first sentence. Let's see some example. I stayed inside because it was raining. Okay, I stayed inside is the main part of the sentence, okay, is exactly what you are trying to say, and then you are telling the reason of why you stayed inside. I stayed inside because it was raining. Okay, he succeeded because he worked hard. So he succeeded is the main part, main thing that you want to say, and then you are telling the reason why he succeeded. Okay, so he succeeded because he worked hard. Okay, I think it helps. Let's see, some of the other subordinating conjunctions are because, when, if, although, until. Okay, the third conjunctions are correlative conjunctions. These work in pair. Okay, this one is actually very interesting. If you learn this one very well, your conversation will really upgrade. These works in pair to join other two things together. For example, either or, neither nor. Okay, you can see here either or, neither nor, both. Okay, not only but also. These kind of conjunctions come in always in pair. Okay, let's see some example. You can have either ice cream or cake. Okay, you can have either ice cream or cake. So it basically means you can only have one of them, either ice cream or cake. You can have either tea or coffee with breakfast. Okay, you either drink tea or coffee, you do not drink both, है ना? So moving on, either she will come to the party or she will call us later. Okay, so there are two people trying to connect with each other, trying to meet. So she is saying either she will come to the party or she will call us later. Neither John nor Mary wanted to go to school. So John did not want to go to school and Mary also did not want to go to school. So we can connect those two sentences by saying neither John nor Mary wanted to go to school. The test was either too easy, neither too easy nor too difficult. Okay, same thing. It was neither easy nor difficult. Common correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, both, and not only but also. But there are others as well. These are some of them to start with. Okay. So I hope you have learned conjunction. I tried my best to teach you. I hope this helps. In future, I'll be coming up with more videos on example sentences or conjunctions for our practice. So stay tuned and check this place. Okay. In future, I'll be making more videos on different other topics on English as well. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. If you like this video, share with your friend and family, and stay tuned and load mat load. Bye bye.